Hello guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's we are going to take a snapshot of our code in a professional manner like that. I just want to take only these libraries in my code. Okay, you just edit it. Okay, here like just copy and just go to your anything and just paste it over here. So first of all, just go to your extension in your VS Code. Just type here CodeSnap. I already downloaded it, so I just uninstall it. Okay, so just write here CodeSnap. Okay, just click first link ADPYK, install it. After installation, okay, it is done. Just click on Control Shift P command and just type here code snap. Okay, it will open here in the left side, right side, and just if you want take any kind of screenshot that you want, just select that particular code. I just want to use this action. Okay, and just customize it and just copy here and just paste it like I use in a Medium article, so I just paste it over here like that. So it looks like very attractive. So that's all. Thank you very much guys, so see you in the next video.